Hana Newsletters AI is one of the best AI tools just released, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. If you're new to Hana Newsletters AI, you're in for a treat. This tool is revolutionizing how businesses and individuals manage their email campaigns and newsletters, making it easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. By the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of how this software can benefit you and whether it's right for your needs. First off, one of the standout features of Hana Newsletters AI is its ability to generate high-quality email content in seconds. If you've ever struggled with writing engaging email copy that converts, Hana Newsletters takes the guesswork out. With AI-powered suggestions, it can craft compelling subject lines, personalized body text, and even CTA, call to action prompts, that are tailored to your audience. This makes it perfect for marketers, small business owners, or anyone who needs to keep their email lists engaged with minimal effort. But what makes Hana Newsletters stand out even more is its smart segmentation. Unlike other tools, it doesn't just send emails to your entire list. It analyzes your data to segment your audience based on their behavior and interests, ensuring that your message is going to the right people at the right time. This is crucial because in digital marketing, the more personalized your email, the better the response rate. Hana Newsletters AI makes sure your emails are highly targeted, so you can see increased open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately more conversions. Another feature I love is the real-time analytics and performance tracking. Hana Newsletters AI doesn't just send emails, it tracks how well they perform too. It gives you detailed insights into open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and more, allowing you to optimize future campaigns. This data-driven approach ensures you're always improving and getting the most out of your efforts. It's like having a personal email marketing assistant that learns from every campaign. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Hana Newsletters. AI was designed with simplicity in mind, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. Whether you're setting up your first campaign or optimizing an existing one, the entire process is straightforward. No more wasting time navigating through complicated settings or figuring out how to format your content. If you've ever wished you had more time to focus on strategy rather than the mundane tasks of email marketing, this software is a game changer. It automates a lot of the tedious work like list management, follow-up emails, and performance reports. You can set up drip campaigns and automation workflows that run on autopilot, so you can focus on growing your business while Hana Newsletters handles the heavy lifting. One feature that's particularly great for digital marketers is the A/B testing capability. Hana Newsletters AI allows you to test different subject lines, content variations, and even sending times. This lets you find out exactly what works for your audience without the guesswork. Over time, this data can really help you fine-tune your email marketing strategies to maximize your results. Lastly, and this might be the best part, Hana Newsletters AI is offering a completely free trial. If you're curious, you can try out this AI-powered email software yourself with zero risk. The first link below in the description will take you to a free trial where you can experience all of these amazing features firsthand. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say that Hana Newsletters AI is one of the best out there for email marketing. If you're looking for a way to level up your email campaigns with cutting-edge AI tech, this is definitely a tool you want to check out. Make sure to try the software for free from the link in the description below, and don't forget to explore the other AI tools I recommend that can further boost your digital marketing strategy.